Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes and today I want to show you my top 3 warming up exercises. These should help you to really get into a position where you can get everything done that you're capable of at the very moment. And before we start out, make sure to check out my free license for beginners. Why am I showing this way? Because those you will find in the video description below this video. Tons of cool stuff going on there if you're starting out on the guitar or if you restart playing the guitar, no matter if you're playing an acoustic or an electric guitar. Just check it out and we will have fun together there. And now I want to present you my top 3 warming up exercises. First of all, for the first one, you don't need a guitar at all. I just do this with both hands. Open your hand up like this and make a fist and open up again. Do that for 10, 20 seconds, whatever, as fast as you can. This will bring the blood into your fingers. I really like this exercise because it's not forcing your hand to do something really crazy. I mean, there are warm-up exercises out there which really, to me, are kind of like dangerous because people try to do really hard stuff without having done anything before. But this way, you just warm up your hands, you bring the blood into your hands, and this makes it really comfortable for me to move my fingers, especially when I go up on stage and there are maybe temperature is not that high already, but because I'm playing an open air gig or whatever, or the air conditioning is set up too low and I'm kind of like freezing on stage or something like this. And this, especially when you're playing the first couple of songs, is a really good exercise because when you're standing at the side of the stage and waiting to get on stage, you cannot really focus on doing anything that makes sense because it's really loud, and that way you can really warm up in the last couple of minutes before you go on stage or before you practice or play, and warm up your fingers without having to touch your instrument at all. Number 2 is I like to just play some chords and do that also as a dry exercise, maybe even, and just make sure I know the song in my head. It's kind of like a head exercise too, and just go through the chord progressions, and the same time I practice my chords. Maybe there are some more fancy ones going on and I need to make sure I really know where to go with them, and this helps me to move the fingers at the same time I get with my mind through the song process. And this is also something that's really important. It's not only about your fingers, it's also about your head being capable of your ears being fresh and there. This is number 2. I think this is really important. Just go through a chord progression without actually playing it, just doing dry exercises. Then number 3 is kind of like a practical exercise, which is a little bit abstract because it has no kind of like a musical sense. And this is on purpose. I would just want to go away from all the stuff I will do in a minute or whatever and just focus on warming up and breaking up structures and stuff by doing something like this. Sounds a little bit weird, but you can do it wherever you want on the neck and in whatever direction you want to do it. But let's do it for the sake of an exercise like this now. Index finger 5th fret E string, downstroke. Middle finger 6th fret E string, upstroke. Ring finger 7th fret E string, downstroke. And pinky 8th fret with an upstroke. And leave them in a line like this. You don't have to push hard. Speed it up, but try to be as precise as possible. Don't fake. And don't play. Really try to make every note count. Play an accent on the 1. And then you go back and you start on the pinky. Up and down. Up and down. And an accent on the index finger and on the pinky. If you've mastered that and you speeded it up a little bit, but try to be as precise as possible, don't fake it, you change strings. Those are my top 3 warm-up exercises. And the thing is, as I said before, it's not only about warming up your very fingers, but also about warming up your mind and being aware that you're about to play a song, a solo, whatever, by going through the process of the song in your head. This is also a very good exercise. Be there. So, I hope you learned something in this video and this helped you to warm up before you play the guitar. Make sure to check out my free lessons for beginners, which you find in the video description below this video. So take a look what you will learn there too. I would love to see you there and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.